So good morning children. How are you all? Hope you all are fine. So did you all understand the lesson? Nisha ma'am has already taught you the greedy traveler. I hope you understood it well. So what are we going to do today? Let's continue with the exercises. Now we have done the lesson. All see children, when you see the video, get into the habit. Keep your books open and pencils in your hand. Think that your class is going on and do it along with me. Okay. So now all will take out page number 11 of your semester books. Take out page number 11. We have matched the following. We will do the match the following. There are five sentences given. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I will read the sentences and you have to match with them. Here it is given A, B, C, D, E. So keep your pencils in your hand and see how ma'am is matching, and you will read along with me and we will do the matching. Okay. The first sentence, see, keep your fingers and read. When the travelers were tired. What did the travelers do when they were tired? What is the meaning of tired? Tired का मतलब क्या है? जब travelers थक गए थे. What did they do? Tired मतलब थक जाना. What did they do? They sat under a banyan tree. When you get tired, what you do? You rest for some time. So these travelers also sat under a banyan tree. Where is sat under a banyan tree? It is D1. So children, you will match 1 with D1 and after the sentence write 1. Okay, like this you match 1 with D1, 1 with D1. Then second sentence, let's see the second sentence what it is given. When Gopal saw the goat, what did he do? What did he do? Gopal was what kind of man? He was a greedy man. Matlab he was very lalchi. What did he see? When he saw the goat, what he said? He said he would take it home. He said, I will take the goat home. I will take it. He didn't wanted to give it to Shiv, his friend. He said, I have seen the goat, so I will take the goat. Where is that? He said he would take it home. It is on A, first. First one you see, second one match with A. Second one match with A and write there 2. And write there 2. Hope you are understanding children. Then come to the third sentence. All of you will read the third sentence. Shiv told Gopal that. What did Shiv told Gopal? Shiv told Gopal that he should get half the money. He told, we both saw the goat, so take half money and I should get the half money. What is the meaning of half? Adha. Half means adha. Adha paisa tum lo and adha mujhe do. Shiv told Gopal that I should get half of the money. I should get half of the money. So where it is that? It is E. So third one match with E. Third one match with E. See this way. Understood children? Third one match with E and write over here 3. Write over here 3. Then next. As soon as they cross the bridge, what happened? They saw a small bag near a bush. When they were crossing the bridge, as soon as they were crossing, what did they see? A bag near a bush. पेड़ों के पास, bushes के पास, what did they see? They saw a bag near a bush. Where it is? B1. Read the B sentence. They saw a small bag near a bush. So fourth one match with B and write here number 4. Write here number 4. Come to the last one. Gopal said that. What did the Gopal said? They were in trouble. So what did Gopal say? They were in trouble. They had that police may come and catch us. So Gopal said that they were in trouble. Trouble means मुसीबत. Trouble means मुसीबत. कुछ मुसीबत आने वाला है. Gopal said that they were in trouble. C sentence. Read the C1. Fifth one match it with C and write here C. So what are your numbers? Get it clear. 2, 4, 5, 1 and 3. I will send you in your WhatsApp group also. You can complete. Those who have not completed, they can complete it from there. I hope you understood this match the following. Now we will continue with the next exercise. What is the next exercise? Read. Fill up the blanks. B1. See the B1. What are they? Fill in the blanks. Fill ups. You are given some help words. Let's read those help words in the box. First one is city. First one is city. I know you all know the meaning of city. Greedy. Greedy, lalchi. Greedy is lalchi. Then next is goat. All of you know the meaning of goat. All of you know the meaning of goat. Then money, paise. All of you know about that also. Money means paisa. Money means paisa. Next, sad. What is the meaning of sad? Very dukhi hona. Sad is happy is khush hona and sad is dukhi hona. Then last one, police. If you do something wrong, who will come and catch you? Policeman. And I hope all of you have seen the policeman and know the meaning of police. So let's use these help words and see where we have to use in the fill-ups. कौन सा सबसे ज़्यादा suitable होगा ये fill-up में? We will, with the help of these words, we will fill in the blanks. So children, keep your fingers on where I am reading. Number 1. Fill up number 1. The first one. The two travelers were going to the dash. Where were the two travelers going? You have read this, na? See the words in the help box. The two travelers were going to the city. So what is the first blank? City. And what is the spelling of city? C-I-T-Y, city. So in the first blank, write C-I-T-Y, city. In the first blank, write C-I-T-Y, city. The two travelers were going to the city. Now second one, all of you keep your fingers on the second one. While walking, they first found a dash. When they started walking, what did they see first? See from the help words, what did they see? They saw money or goat? First, they saw a goat. They saw a goat. So, second blank, what will it come? Goat. And what is the spelling of goat? G-O-A-T, goat. What is the spelling of goat? G-O-A-T, goat. So, write in the second blank, G-O-A-T, goat. Okay. So they saw a goat. They saw a goat. First they saw a goat. Then next blank. Keep your fingers, children. Gopal was dash and he kept it. Gopal was what? Lalchi tha. What do you say lalchi in English? Greedy. He was greedy and he kept it. He kept the goat. So greedy. Third blank. What it will come? Greedy. And what is the spelling of greedy? G-R-E-E-D-Y. While writing, you just spell the spelling. You must not only write, keep your mouth closed and write. While writing, tell the spelling G-R-E-E-D-Y, greedy. And then write. Very good. So write next blank. G-R-E-E-D-Y, greedy. Gopal was greedy. Gopal was greedy. So this way you will write. Next, fourth blank. Read the sentence along with me. When they saw a bag of dash, Gopal again kept it and it did not give anything to Shiv. First they saw a goat, then they saw a bag of dash, bag of money, bag of money. So in the next blank, what it will come? Money. And what is the spelling of money? M-O-N-E-Y, money. What is the spelling of money? M-O-N-E, fourth blank, M-O-N-E-Y, money. First they saw a goat, then they saw a bag of money, a bag of money. So Gopal wanted to keep the bag of money also, he wanted to keep the goat also. He was very greedy. He was very greedy. Yes. Then fifth one. Keep your finger on fifth one. Shiv was very dash. If anybody takes everything from you, how will you be? Will you be happy or will you be sad? Naturally you will be sad. अगर तुमसे सब चीजें ले ले, ये बोले कि ये भी मेरा है, ये भी मेरा है, तुमको कोई कुछ ना दे, तुम खुश रहोगे कि दुखी रहोगे? You will be sad. Sad मतलब दुखी. Sad मतलब शिव को कुछ नहीं मिल रहा था. Everything Gopal was taking. That is why Shiv was sad. Shiv was sad. Shiv दुखी था. Shiv was sad. And what is the spelling of sad? S-A-D. Sad. S-A-D. Sad. Fifth one. S-A-D. Sad. S-A-D. Sad. Now come to the last one. The dash were looking for the thieves who had stolen bag of money. Who was looking for the thieves? Who catches the thieves? कौन चोरों को पकड़ता है? Police. So last blank, police. What is the spelling of police? P-O-L-I-C-E. So in the last blank, write police. P-O-L-I-C-E. Police. So I hope you have all got it. First blank city, second goat, third greedy, fourth money, fifth sad and sixth police. I hope all of you have understood these exercises very well. So children, we have done 2 exercises today. Match the following and fill-ups. I will send you these things in your WhatsApp group. You just go through it, read it, complete it. And your homework is you will read all these things 2 times. Don't just write. Read while you are writing. Then you will become very smart children. And I know my children are very smart. They will do it very nicely. So children, God bless you all. Take care. Be happy. Be safe and complete your work.